Hello everyone, welcome to a new video, and as you can see, I got a little bit of overhaul. Now, very early in the morning, so I might not be doing this so long, but I'm just here, not to explore, but it's new. I had to do a new character, unloaded item. I had to deactivate some of my mods. Yeah, I got overhaul though, the bright side. The tree falling animation. Did I do that? Yes, I was supposed to. Did I do it? No, apparently not. Oh, and I also knew. By the way, guys, I don't have as many mods, so it might not be as epic, but I'll try my best to make this epic. So, I am lagging. Just try not to lag. I like this mod. Let's go to the jungle. No more going that way. We're going this way. I had to start a new character even. Soul of Blood. Give me that. Burn fire. Everyone, roll. Okay, we're good. Die. I need to give myself a charm again. Cause I started. Accessories. Now you might see shakes. It's only because it might be something crazy going on. I don't know. And now I feel normal again. So, alright, let's talk now. So, how was your day? Please put that in the comments. I hope you're having a marvelous one, actually. Make this out. No. Go back in my footage and see what block this was. Because it's more pink. I don't even know what color this is. I'm sorry. This may be blue. This may be pink. I think oh my goodness, it has like nothing. What? I had to do a lot of videos again. Just kidding, I had to do a lot of mods again. And I'm getting wrecked by a bee. Literally. I had to give myself the Spectre armor. Had to give myself... Oh my goodness, darn. Whatever is hitting me. Wait, what was that? Oh, I've defeated the 100 Hornet. Okay. Not paying attention. Not paying attention. Oh my goodness. I'm like so sorry for you. Hey, what's happening? Silk. I only drink silk. Sorry, not copywriting. Totally. What just killed that guy? Oh yeah, I have my guys on the heart of the element, so they might have wrecked him. Go bamboozles, work those streets. There are some consequences. Alright, maybe I'm infested with memes today. No! Why are hornets dropping the soul of the sea? Time to investigate. Spiked jungle slime. I did not mean to do that. Overhaul's a must get. You have to get this. Bloody hell. By the way, guys, that I'm not saying that for fun. It's like really, literally, like right there. This is what I do when I'm literally playing Terraria. Found granite. Biome. Oh! Remember that skit? That biome has something to do with it. I'm not lying. Maybe a skull in there. Let's go check. Let's go check. And out. Oh, it's you again. You should die. Also, guys, I just got up. Like, not just, because I was trying to figure out why, Overhaul wasn't working, and now it is working fine. Oh, don't worry. That's just a jeweled bat. It's gonna die. Why are they dropping geode? I'm just gonna go take that. Thank you very much. Help yourself to me. No, not me. Like, no. Die. Smacking you. Copper. Die. Granite. Wait, is this actually the case? My goodness, I think it is. Sorry guys, drinking chocolate milk video not sponsored. I am warm. I get right next to this. I'm hot. Die. I died.
This was actually probably the beta music of Terraria. Oh yeah.
Unseeable. I don't know. I literally just did that randomly. You do nothing. Sandwich? Just like the ham. Expressions didn't sound right. I don't even know. I'm being weird now. I wanna be there. Water isn't moving. Changed my game like entirely. One of the dungeon kids. Down, down, down we go. I was actually killed by a dungeon guardian once. And then literally I just sit here and wait. Wait. All the time. But I'm not gonna do that because it's been 12 minutes. 3 minutes left, guys. I'm so sorry. My Sun King slime and like wreck him right now. He won't know what's happening at all. I literally just kept juiced mod. Just kidding. I also kept a lot of mods. But not a lot, because I still need to work these. Not the switch. Turn that on because I'm scared of the dark. Gold. Go up. I don't even feel like being here. What sort of music is this? I'm sorry, people who like this music. I'm just not a big fan of it. Guys, do my outro by dancing. Bye, everyone.